Hi, this is Ankita. Got a tech dream? JaiInfoway is your launchpad from concept to market-ready digital products. From the first sketch to the final launch, we tailor every step to breathe life into your vision. A smooth operation. We have got the tools and the know-how. Timelines. We are talking days, not months. Efficiency is our middle name. Your team, your terms, fixed cost or dedicated crew, we flex to fit your needs. 15 years strong, JaiInfoway is all about transforming ideas into impactful digital realities. Join the future builders. Connect with JaiInfoway today. Your journey starts now. Thank you.